Why is water a bent V shape, while the carbon dioxide we exhale is a perfectly straight line? This isn't random. The three-dimensional shape of a molecule dictates its entire identity, whether it's a liquid or a gas, how it smells, and even if it can save a life. The answer lies in a simple, universal rule. Electron pairs hate each other. This principle is called VSEPR theory. Imagine the central atom of a molecule as a tiny sun, with clouds of negatively charged electrons orbiting it. Because they're all negative, they repel, pushing each other as far apart as possible. This constant invisible dance of repulsion is what sculpts the molecular world. If a central atom has two electron groups, they flee from each other to opposite sides, forming a straight linear molecule. Four groups will arrange into a perfect 3D pyramid, a tetrahedron, with every angle at an ideal 109.5 degrees. But there's a twist. Some of these electron groups aren't involved in bonding. They are lone pairs, and they act like bullies. Since they aren't stretched between two atoms, they're fatter and take up more space, pushing with more force. Look at ammonia. It has four electron groups, but one is a lone pair. This bully shoves the bonded atoms closer together, shrinking the angle to 107 degrees and creating a pyramid shape. Water is even more dramatic. With two lone pair bullies, its bonding pairs are squeezed even tighter, creating its famous bent shape with an angle of just 104.5 degrees. And that slight bend is everything. If water were linear, it would be a gas, and life on Earth couldn't exist. The drugs that fight disease work because their specific 3D shape is the perfect key to fit a biological lock. It turns out this microscopic architecture of repulsion isn't just abstract geometry, it's life itself.